Hi, everybody. It's Kim Peterson here. And I had something that's just been swirling on my mind, and I thought I'd share it with you. And the topic today is on integrity. Integrity. What does that word mean to you? Now, some of you might say integrity means doing the right thing, even when no one is looking. Yes, and absolutely, I would agree. And for me, I think of integrity as being whole. It's not divided. It's not fractioned. There's an alignment between your words and your actions. And moreover, there's an alignment between your thoughts, your words, and your actions. And this is a value that will serve you, certainly personally, if you value integrity in your personal life, in your relationships, in your career, in business, it will definitely serve you because your yes is your yes, right? Your actions and your words align. People can trust you. Clients can trust you. When you are a leader and you have as a part of your leadership brand a strong sense of integrity, you will better be able to lead the charge, whether it's with your team, within different folks in your organization, your vendors, in your communication. People will be able to follow your lead because they know that they can trust your sense of integrity. Now, I just want to read to you a quick excerpt from a book that I read several years ago. So I try and incorporate this whenever I'm speaking on leadership brand and integrity. Let me know what you think about this. Arthur Gordon, writing for a national periodical, says this about the importance of personal integrity. Year after year, businessmen study college records, screen applicants, and offer special inducements to proven people. What are they after, really? Brains? Energy? Know-how? These things are desirable, sure, but they will carry a person only so far. If he or she is to move to the top and be entrusted with command decisions, there must be a plus factor, something that takes mere ability and doubles or trebles its effectiveness. To describe this magic characteristic, there is only one word: integrity. What do you think about that? And how will you embody integrity in your personal life and in your leadership brand? And actually, a question that you can ask yourself even before that is, do I really value integrity? If you do, you will thoughtfully consider that. And if you don't, I guess no harm, no shame, no foul. It's just not something that you're going to embrace. It's not something you'll lead with. And certainly others will know that that's not something that perhaps you value and not to count on. Just food for thought. Curious to know what your thoughts are. My name is Kim Peterson, known as the Brand Style and Confidence Coach for the whole you, because it's not enough just to look good. It's not enough just to sound good. So I'm the coach for the whole you, mind, body, and soul, championing your swift and confident breakthroughs on the inside and out. Make it a great day and leave your comments below. Love to know. Bye for now.